almost anything.
You know, it's like there's always different kind of days, you know.
Okay.
The day is really beautiful, but it cannot be, you know. It can be small here.
Okay.
Normally it's really small, but the day here, it's like the weather, it changes a lot.
It changes,
you know?
okay.
So it's difficult to find a good day.
Beautiful, beautiful
Awesome
day.
day.
Yeah.
I'm just going to help you.
Sure. Praia da Barra, Portugal, Atlantic Ocean, one of the best beaches for surf beginners, but not only, but Praia da Barra, beautiful place.
To hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Wow!
doing, man?
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you very much, Jim.
You're welcome.
Secret surf school, the best surf school in Praia da Barra, AVEIRO, Portugal.
Good, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
The best day.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, guys.